Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change Wi-Fi on Chromecast. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Chromecast, and right over here you can see this little button on beside. All you have to do is keep pressing on it. After a while the light will start blinking. Once the lights have started blinking and turning to white, all you have to do is simply leave the button. Right after that, your Chromecast will be simply reset. All you have to do is simply access your particular app on your mobile phone, and here in this home section you will be able to see your living room TV. Right, all you have to do is tap on the square icon on top, and here in this device setting you will be able to access this option of Wi-Fi right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and once you have tapped on the Wi-Fi network and tapped on forgot, you will be able to again ask for the reconfirmation. Tap on this forget network. Once you have done so, it will simply redirect you to the home screen of it. Simply go ahead, follow the on-screen prompts for you to enter the new network's information. Once you have added and confirmed it, you will be able to access new Wi-Fi for your Chromecast just likewise over there. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.